Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been away for a while, almost 1.5 weeks, and I would like to welcome the new subscriber. Now we are 11 subscribers family, and the Onam event celebration is on Sunday. This video is being uploaded on the Thursday if I'm not wrong. Hopefully on the Thursday. I still need to edit a few more things. It's not a big thing, it's just a 3 minutes thing, but I try to manage all these things together. I'm planning for a promotion next week for the Children's Day stuff on next week, hopefully, on my Instagram page, GDR Products. If you haven't followed the Instagram page, go follow. And so let's get back to our digital product. So today is this is day 5. So we haven't get any replies from any of the influencers, but that's okay. While I was scrolling my Instagram, I actually saw this reel, so I thought of recreating it without sending them a free text comment. So basically what they said was comment free, and then they will send it to me. So I actually thought, why shouldn't I do it myself? So here's the first few steps that I've been actually doing. Firstly, what I'm doing is tell ChatGPT about it. Of course, what kind of digital product is made without a digital guide, right? So AI assistant, I told him about it, and he gave me all those things that I'm supposed to do for the mandatory things, which is not so. I think that's why the influencers actually didn't want to reply. It was kind of basic, so I thought of making it a bit more advanced. So I'm still working on it. So far, I have done all these things, like all the mandatory things for now. And one of my friend actually told me that the assignment tracker, all those things are very basic. So you have to try and make it um, a bit more good looking, appealing. So yeah, maybe we'll do that on day 6. But I thought of just trying this out, trying this budget thing out. It's also a budget planner, so I thought of trying it out. So all these things are the ones that we are doing right now. So yeah, uh, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, oh yeah, I'll be uploading a part 2 of my Onam celebration. So if you guys subscribe to my channel, you guys can see it as well. So till then, Rajan Talks signing out.